How to change your address on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two types of addresses on Amazon. One is the delivery or the shipping address. The other is known as the billing address. Now as for the billing address, I've already made a dedicated tutorial. You can simply search them in our channel, or I'll make sure to drop a link below right there, because it's a little bit of a complicated process. Now if you're talking about the normal delivery, because you're talking about your address, for that you can open up the Amazon shopping application, tap the profile like icon from the very bottom center, then go to the option called your account. And after you go to your account, from here you'll find under account settings an option called your addresses. Tap on your addresses, and here you can see the addresses you've added. So you can tap the edit button next to an address that you want, set them as your default, and after you have done that, you'll be able to basically change your address. This way you can change your address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.